All right, can we throw the toys, Max? So Max's favorite thing is to go down into the deep end, or to the very bottom of the pool, and just grab as many toys as he can.
Dozer.
Who's Dozer, Max?
Dozer.
All right, how about, where's Buzz Lightyear? Let's go get him.
Buzz Lightyear.
Ready?
Set, go.
Max is a very active 5-year-old boy. He was diagnosed with autism actually at 2.5. So he had started swim lessons as an infant, in fact. And really we did it just so that he would be water safe. We certainly didn't know about autism at that time, but it has benefited him dramatically. So Max has, with his autism, as many children with autism have, what's called sensory processing disorder. And essentially what that is that his body, he just craves more input, you know, more sensory, he's very sensory seeking, if you will. So with swimming, that just really provides that input that his body needs. And so it's incredibly therapeutic for him. It's very calming for him. So with being a, you know, it's wonderful because it's an activity, an active sport. It's also just for his peace of mind and just being able to, if he has any kind of anxiety, it truly calms him down.
Basically, we teach through a series of, or it's taught through muscle memory, and a series of touch, water currents, stuff like that. That's basically how we can get these guys to perform. It's a little different than your typical swim lessons.
Ready, set, go.
A lot of the behaviors, such as just the tantrums, the not being able to, you know, not being very rigid in the schedule, not being flexible if things in his schedule don't go in a certain routine, a certain way. He also had a habit of, if we would be out somewhere, just kind of taking off, where now he's doing much better staying by my side, just being able to remain calm, being able to, you know, if things aren't going his way or if things are flexible. So say, for example, there was a day where he was told he was going to go swimming, but then it ended up getting canceled. You know, before we would have a complete meltdown about that, where now he's able to process it and is okay. We have a long way to go, for sure, but he's made tremendous progress. One of the best things we've ever done was fin to swim.